Chapter 4. More on Animate CC. In the previous class, you learnt about some basic features of Animate CC. You learnt how to use different shape tools to make drawings. Do you know how to use these drawings to create an animation? To create an animation, you need to put together images so that they appear as moving images. Animate CC can create animation automatically if you define the properties between the first and the last frames. The movement of an object between the frames is referred to as tween. Animate CC provides 3 types of tweens. In this chapter, you will learn how to create tweens. Besides, you will also learn about some other features of Animate CC. How to create a motion tween. In Animate CC, motion tween is a type of animation that uses symbols to create movement, size, rotation changes, fades, and color effect. To create a motion tween, you may follow the steps given below. Step 1. First, create a new document in Animate CC. Draw an object which you want to move on the stage, the rectangular area where you place graphic content while creating Animate documents. After drawing the object, convert it into a movie clip symbol. Step 2. Click on the frame 1 of layer 1 in the timeline panel. Step 3. Next, drag the object on the left-hand side of the stage by using the selection tool. Step 4. Click on the Insert Create Motion Tween option from the menu bar. You will notice that the timeline is set to frame 30 by default and the playhead shifts to frame 30. Remember that the default setting of 30 frames per second (FPS) will create a 1-second animation. You can change this setting as per your specific needs. Step 5. Select the symbol and drag it to the right, across the stage. On the stage, the motion guide will show the symbol path of motion between frame 1 and frame 30. Step 6. Click on Control Test Movie in Animate to view the motion tween. The motion tween animation will be displayed in a window. Step 7. You may use the motion guide to change the direction of the animation. Move the mouse pointer to the anchor point in the motion guide. It will turn into an arrow with a curve. Step 8. Drag it to another position. Step 9. The motion tween animation that you have created will start playing in a pop-up window. Finally, click on Control Test Movie in Animate to see the motion tween. How to create a classic tween. Classic tweens are an older method of creating animations in Animate CC. They are primarily used for transition purposes. To create a classic tween, you can follow the steps given below. Step 1. First, create a new Animate CC document. Step 2. Click on the Fill Color tool and choose a color of your choice. Step 3. Select the Oval tool from the Tools panel. Step 4. Use the Oval tool to draw a circle on the left-hand side of the stage. Step 5. Click on the frame 1 on the layer 1 of the timeline. Step 6. Select the Insert Classic Tween option from the menu bar. Step 7. Click on frame 20 on the layer 1 of the timeline. Step 8. Select the Insert Timeline Keyframe options from the menu bar. Step 9. Select the Selection tool from the Tools panel. Step 10. Drag the circle to the bottom of the stage. Step 11. Click on the frame 40 on the layer 1 of the timeline. Step 12. Click on the Insert Timeline keyframe options from the menu bar. Step 13. Select the Selection tool from the Tools panel. Step 14. Now, drag the circle to the right-hand side of the stage. Step 15. Click on the Control Test Movie Inanimate options to play the classic tween animation you have created. How to create a shape tween. Shape tween is a technique that is used to smoothly morph one shape into another. Any kind of animation that requires the stroke or fill of a shape to change, such as animation of fire, water and clouds, is a type of shape tween. For example, if you wish to change the shape of an object which is circular to a rectangular shape, you can do this by using a shape tween. To create a shape tween, you may follow the steps given below. Step 1. Create a new document in Animate CC. Step 2. Choose the Rectangle tool from the Tools panel and draw a rectangle on the stage. Step 3. Choose the Selection tool from the Tools panel. Step 4. Next, in the Timeline panel, right-click on Frame 50 and select the Insert Keyframe option. Step 5. Use the Selection tool to select the rectangular object on stage. Step 6. Press the Delete key. The rectangular object will disappear. Step 7. Select the Oval tool from the Tools panel and draw a circle. Step 8. Right-click on the Timeline panel between Frame 1 and Frame 50 and then click on the Create Shape Tween option. The timeline color will change to green and the shape tween will be created, as you can see in the picture below. Step 9. Finally, click on the Control Test Movie Inanimate option from the menu bar to see the shape tween you have created. How to work with layers. In Animate CC, layers are the sheets on which you place your drawings, objects, and animations. You can keep the elements of the animation separate with their help. These are similar to transparent sheets, stacked one on top of the other. The Timeline panel consists of all the layers and there is no limitation to the number of layers you can add. If needed, you can renumber the layers by dragging them up or down. Renaming a layer. To rename a layer, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Double-click the name of the layer and type background. Step 2. Click outside the name box to save the new name. Deleting a layer. You can delete a layer by performing these steps. Step 1. Select the layer in the Timeline panel. Step 2. Click on the Delete Layer button at the bottom. The selected layer will be deleted. How to use masking. Masking in Animate CC serves as an important tool. It is used to hide a selected part and display content on a layer instead. Masking enables us to control the content that is visible to the audience. In order to create a spotlight effect, we can create a circular mask and have the audience view the content within the circular area only. This enables the audience to focus on the important content in a project. To create a masking effect, you may follow the steps given below. Step 1. Create a new document in Animate CC. Step 2. Select the Selection tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Click on the frame 100 in the Timeline panel and then right-click and select the Insert Frame option. Step 4. Select frame 1 from the Timeline panel. Step 5. Select the File Import to Stage options from the menu bar to import pictures to the background. Step 6. Add a new layer to the imported image that appears on the stage. Step 7. choose Layer 2 from the left pane of the Timeline panel. Step 8. Select Frame 1 from the Timeline panel. Step 9. Choose the Rectangle tool from the Tools panel and draw a rectangle to the left side of the stage. Step 10. Right-click on the frame 100 of the Layer 2 in the Timeline panel. Step 11. Click on the Convert to Keyframes option. Step 12. Choose the Selection tool from the Tools panel. Step 13. Select the rectangular object and drag it to the right-hand side of the stage. Step 14. Right-click on the Timeline panel between frame 1 and frame 100, and then select the Create Shape Tween option. Step 15. After the creation of Shape Tween, the timeline color changes to green. Now, right-click on the Layer 2 and select the Mask option. The mask will be created. Step 16. In order to view the mask, click on the Control Test Move in Animate options from the menu bar. The masked animation will start playing in a pop-up window. How to format text in Animate CC. There is a striking similarity between the tools of Animate CC and those of a word processor. The Properties panel allows us to change the font, size, style and color of a single character or an entire block of text. We can also set margins, indents, line spacing and align paragraphs with its help. To format text in Animate CC, you may follow these steps. Step 1. Select the Text tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Choose the font size, color, style, etc. from the Properties panel. Step 3. Type the text, animation, on the stage. We can use the Break Apart option to individually split the text. Step 4. Use the Selection tool to select the text. Step 5. Click on the Modify Break Apart options from the menu bar. Step 6. Select the individual character and change the color. Knowledge zone. In traditional methods of animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent celluloid sheets which are photographed and exhibited on film. Nowadays, most animations are made with the help of computer-generated imagery, CGI. Symbols in Animate CC can be saved for future use. Besides, a symbol can be copied from one project and pasted into another.